Okay, so we're going to have to start with 9 all over again. So now, number 9, let me get my pen here. Number 9. So we have the let statement. X is going to be our width. And then we have x plus 3 is our other let statement, and that was our length. I can't remember what we started, so we're going to do it all over again. So x, I know it's not a very good rectangle there, and then x plus 3, and that's x plus 3. Let me get a new screen. X plus 3, and x plus 3. So we're going to combine like terms because we have to add up all sides. So you end up with 4x, and then we have 3 and 3 plus 6, and it says it's equal to 42. Solve for x. It's not working very good here. So we have 4x equals 36. And then we're going to divide both sides by 4. And x equals 9. Okay, so we have 9 for the x's. So really, this rectangle has 9 here and 9 here. And then we're going to substitute in this 9 plus 3. And that gives you 12. If you add 12 plus 9 plus 12 plus 9, you're going to get 42. Excuse me. Now we're on number 10. Johnson's Plains charges 180 plus 92, 180 plus 92 per hour to rent a plane. The Sound Plains charges 250 plus 78 per hour. Oops. Let me erase that. Okay. 78 per hour. Okay, so now we want to get our variables together on one side. Hold on a sec. Sorry, I had to go get my dog. Okay, so now we have 180 plus 14x equals 250. And then we want to get our constants on the other side, or start solving for x. So we're going to subtract 180. So now we have 14x equals 70. Divide both sides by 14. And then x equals 5. So 5 would be the number of hours, because we said x is going to represent our hours, that they're going to charge the same amount. So that was letter A. And letter B says what will be the charge for the number of hours. So you just substitute that in. So you have 180 plus 92 times 5 is equal to 250 plus 78 times 5. That's a 7. 78 times 5. So this side, when you do the math, you're going to get 640. And this side, you're going to get 640 also. Okay, let's go on to our bonus. Find 3 consecutive odd integers. So let's do that first. So we're going to say let x equal the first. Since they're odd, we've got an x plus 2 to get to that next number. So that's your second number. And then x plus 4 is our third. So now it says where the sum of the middle and the largest integer, middle and largest, so it says to add those two together, x plus 2 plus x plus 4 is 21 more than the smallest integer? Smallest integer is x plus 21. So combine like terms. So you have 2x plus 6 equals x plus 21. We're going to subtract x to get our variables on the same side. And that gives you x plus 6 equals 21. And then we're going to subtract 6 from both sides. And x equals 15. So that's our smallest number. So we have 15 for our smallest number. And then if you take x, which is 15, and add 2, you get 17. And then if you take your x and you substitute it in for the third number, and you're going to add 4, and it gives you 19. So there's our 3 consecutive odd integers. And we're done.